Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorial how to copy object. So for example, I will create a rectangle and then use pull tools to convert into 3D. Now I will triple click and then convert into group. If you want to copy this object, you can use move tools, click at this icon, move. And for base point, I will click in it, press control button 1 to be automatically copy and you can click at this point. If you want to copy multiple times, you can select the object, use move tools, specify for base point, I will click at this point, and then you can press control button once. After it, you can click, and then you can type like X or press enter. It will be copy 4 times. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp tutorial, how to copy. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.